things. I heard Mr. Moon talking about eBay, and Mr. Hammond is talking about ON. We will see what happens as far as that is concerned. And we'll see what's going on in the markets. Like I said, the markets are actually showing some direction, which is, a bit of a divergence from the last 2 weeks. So we are up about 0.75%, and we shall see if that is going to follow through. We open up in just over 1 minute, 1 minute and 3 seconds to be specific. Expiring positions, really, we don't really have anything that we need to concern ourselves with. See if we can get that to fill in. But we're on that. Other movers to the upside. Under Armour, that's always good for us. We are long Under Armour. We're long for next week, the 3-4 call spread, right? 3-4 call spread, we are long from 25 cents for next week. And that is slightly in the money now, which is always good. We're long that from 25 cents. It's trading 37. If this thing starts to trade about 45, we'll be looking to get out of it. We have time, though. The only thing going out today is that EA little pesky guy that's really not going to work out. All we need is a, I don't know, about a 12% move today, and we're good. I'm just kidding. But we're good. Outside of that, let's keep looking. Gap